I'ma head out then.
I'm telling you, and we gonna get it every time, man. Y'all got that one nice over there too.
Yeah, he's breaking down what ain't good for me.
Yeah, he get you right.
Only way to go. You already know it is, nigga. And so, hey, let's get it.
I never know what they want, so.
Hey, it worked out. Tell them what you're running in here.
415 X's V2s. I've got a DC 10K. Let's see. 2 of the DC 1000.4s. I've got a 175.4 in the back, and I've got about 40 mids and highs.
Woo. you got enough of it, don't you? Yeah, you got enough of it.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Alright.
And it's definitely nice. Where can they find you at on social media anywhere?
Basehead Mo.
Basehead Mo.
Yep.
Y'all be sure to give us a follow. I'll tag it down in the video below. Y'all know we'll put it in the group. So sure appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That's it.
I know she gets sticky.
Oh yeah. Yeah, get the pictures on. You got some? There you go. Yeah, that's it. That's ma'am. That's it. See you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's clean it out. I was clean back out too. Hey.
Oh yeah, you too.
crude. Better see you from the
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.